Today we're going to show you how easy it is to commission a Sonic Driver handheld flow meter. Press the on key to turn the flow meter on. The flow meter model and serial number is displayed on the screen, and then the flow meter carries out a sequence of self-tests. This meter has an internal data logger as standard, so the integrity of the memory and data stored is checked. Setting up the flow meter to suit your pipe installation is as simple as using the Quick Start option. All Sonic Driver flow meters have a similar user interface, meaning that once you can program one flow meter type, you can program them all. Press the Enter key to start the Quick Start sequence. The meter will ask you to confirm the type of transducers that are installed on the pipe. You will have specified these when purchasing the flow meter. You can connect transducers operating at different frequencies, and if you have one, a wall thickness gauge probe. We will cover wall thickness gauging in a separate video, but the functionality is included as standard. In this example, we are using DM10 sensors. Next, select the number of passes that the ultrasound follows across the pipe. You can scroll through up to 12 passes or select auto, in which case the flow meter selects the best option for you. Here we are using 2-pass V mode. The meter will now ask you to enter your pipe outside diameter and wall thickness. You are now prompted to select your pipe material from a list. If your material is not on the list, select Other, and you will be asked to enter the speed of sound. We will be using carbon steel. If your pipe is lined, you can now enter the lining details. In this example, we have none. We will cover pipe linings in a separate video. You are now prompted to select the fluid that is flowing in your pipe from a list. If your fluid is not on the list, you can once again select Other and enter the temperature, the speed of sound, viscosity and density of the liquid. If your liquid is on the list, the speed of sound, viscosity and density are picked up from an internal database within the flow meter and automatically corrected for temperature. In this example, we are using water at 18 degrees centigrade. The flow meter now asks you to confirm the transducer type, and based on the values that you have just entered, calculates how far apart you should place the transducers on the pipe. In this example, the spacing is 71.6 millimeters. The flow meter now shows its sensor positioning screen and automatically adjusts its gain. The vertical line shows where the flow meter is detecting the ultrasonic signal arrival. If the values that have been entered are correct and the transducers are the correct spacing apart, this should be between the two target markers. In this example, we have a good signal to noise of 38.2 decibels, and the actual time of arrival is very close to the expected time of arrival at 99.2%. The flow meter has a full set of signal and time diagnostic values, which can be used to check that the installation is correct and that accurate flow measurements are being made. Press the 5 key to start measuring. To switch between measurement and user interface, press the Run Stop key. To turn the flow meter off, press and hold the back arrow key. You now know how to commission your Sonic Driver handheld flow meter, and because of our common user interface, any of our other flow meters should be easy to program. Check our pages and YouTube channel for more information and tutorials.